Boy, don't get me wrong, sure we're having fun, but it don't mean that I'm in love. I like you a lot.
Hello everybody and welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel if this is the first time you're joining me here. Welcome to my home. I am doing a bathroom deep clean today. So I'm definitely breaking out the scrubbing brushes today. I've definitely got some organization that I'd like to do, and I'd love it if you subscribed if you're not already. Give the video a big thumbs up, and of course, let's just get straight into the video. Unless you're new here, you know that I have a very cluttered mind in a cluttered space, so I need to clear this entire area. Sometimes it's putting the things back where they belong, but in this case, I don't actually know where half these things are going to belong because I just haven't organized the bathroom correctly yet. It's just kind of been like shove and go. So I am going to take as much as I can out of the drawers, out of the cupboards, pretty much everything, because everything in here needs a really good wipe down, and you're going to see why.
Being mean, I'm just being me. I don't make it easy, but I'm worth a while. All that I ask is for you to please my every need, to put in the time. I'm through trying to tell you what to do, how to make me fall for you. You should learn that on your own. I play cool, cause I hope you pick it up soon, and you know just what to do. Don't you? Boy, just be honest. I know you want it.
It's at this point I'm thinking to myself, oh no, because look how disgusting that is. There's a cockroach, there's hair that I'm pretty sure is not all of Dylan's. That is rubbish back there that doesn't belong to us. I just obviously didn't clear out this space when we moved in. If you're just joining me, we only moved into this house about 5 weeks ago, and I haven't obviously cleared out underneath there yet because I haven't even organized this space properly.
Tell you what to do, how to make me fall for you. You should learn that on your own. I play cool, cause I hope you pick it up soon, and you know just what to do. Don't you? Boy, just be honest. I know you want it. Put some work into it, cause you know that I'm hard to love. It won't be easy, so don't be lazy. Just give it to me, cause you know that I'm hard to love. I'm hard to love. Boy, you know that I'm hard to love. I'm hard to love. Boy, you know that I'm hard to love. I'm hard to love. Boy, you know that I'm hard to love. I'm hard to love.
Even though the bathroom isn't organized, I am constantly cleaning down the sink, the shower, the bathtub. So all of this area doesn't need too bad of a job today. I'm cleaning the surface of the basin with just the universal co-cleaner, and then I actually want to do the basin itself with some bleach. So I will do that, some mold away bleach cleaner. The bathtub itself just needs the co-universal cleaner. I wipe this out pretty much every day with that item because my children bathe in this area. The co-universal cleaner is really the only thing I trust besides white vinegar. And don't get me wrong, you guys know I love to take bleach to things, and I will take bleach to this bathtub every now and then, but it's definitely not an all the time thing, it's sporadic. Now that those areas are clean and I feel a little bit better, I feel like I can start putting some things back, at least clear the floor, even if the items that I'm placing back right now aren't their forever home.
Swimming around in your bloodstream. which you tell your friends about. I'm the crazy ex-girl you pretend you don't know, 'cause you know I could ruin your life. Rumor has it you have someone new. She'll regret you like a bad tattoo, 'cause you'll never change, you'll always stay the same. Go on and tell all your friends all about me. I don't give a nothing sticks to me, baby. Yes, hon, I'm Teflon, I don't give an F, so go ahead and tell them I'm a little bit too much for ya. Maybe you're not man enough, 'cause I speak my mind, yeah, I spit it out. I don't care about if you think that I'm a little bit too much for ya. Maybe you're not man enough, 'cause I speak my mind, yeah, I spit it out. I don't care about if you think that I'm a little bit too much. I'm not gonna play cool when you take me for a damn fool. I'm just so sick of it, can't believe that I've been with someone like you. Don't forget I know your secrets too. In a minute I can spill the truth, 'cause you'll never change, you'll always stay the same. Go on and tell all your friends all about me. I don't give a nothing sticks to me, baby. Yes, hon, I'm Teflon, I don't give an F, so go ahead and tell them I'm a little bit too much for ya.
But I just wanted to quickly jump on again and say thank you so much for watching. If you've still got things on your to-do list or you need more cleaning motivation, there's a whole playlist I've linked down below for you. But thank you so much for watching. Subscribe if you're not already and join our little family. And I'll see you back here in a few days with a brand new video. Bye!